Hello everyone. This is next in the series of missed diagnosis and the second in the fetal medicine. This is a primary 22 weeks come from anhydramnios for second opinion with the and scan here showed bilateral renal agenesis as shown on the image on left side and a single umbilical artery. So, with the diagnosis of bilateral renal agenesis, fetus was terminated, and there was a surprise on termination. It turned out to be cyanomelia. So, this case scenario is to illustrate the importance of follow-up and feedback, review of literature, and the curiosity how it helps. So if you'd like to see the workup of this case scenario, please log on to sonoshare.in and go to image to diagnosis fetal medicine, and this will be second in the series of misdiagnosis. Thank you.